So from this is my online net test based channel. In this my video I am already created a lot of video Linux and Linux courses related videos. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about okay, so watch my previous video, very important. And what is the Linux and why using Linux, what is the difference between Microsoft company and the Linux operating system. So different point of view I'm already told you. Linux, Windows operating system and server. Okay, so how many type of company using operating system and Linux of server. So Linux of the kernel, and you can see here Unix architecture. Today I will discuss. So let's start and understand this Unix architecture. So this is a very important for our video. So let's start. Hello friends, this is my online Nettech channel. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech channel. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my. You can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like. So this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So you can see here this is a Unix architecture here, and what is the architecture? Architecture you are understandable already. So this is operating system architecture, and this architecture very important to understand about, because you are using Linux operating system. You want to learn about Linux operating system, your first time operating system using Linux, either you are Linux courses using, and some study Linux operating system. So this is a very important for understand, and this is the Linux system. So first you can see this is a hardware technology here. Hardware technology means your hard disk, RAM, CPU, motherboard, your motherboard with other type of switches, and the important of data store in hard disk. Okay, so first you are power on your computer. So complex first start your hardware and start your kernel technology, kernel main of file, and kernel inside all of data file of folder, one type of you can load from this kernel system here. Okay, so this is a base, more PGV, HNV card, this AD. So this is the data of operating system, main Linux operating system load from kernel, and kernel load after all of features and systems load from these main of data. Okay, so this is you start your power on your computer. So Windows same as it is work. Windows operating system you are using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Same as it is main boot file. Okay, main boot file start and after one by one of the type file. But I'm talk about only Linux operating system and system here. You can see this is PGV, NV, COT, ADV, iShell, different every folder with data special work of system. So here is a basic block diagram of the Unix system, not the Linux, because Unix and Linux architecture is most ofly 85% same as it is 85%. Okay, so this is a load after start application program, just like a mail FTP application program by created Linux operating system, Linux developer, Linux software engineer, and some technology DBMS, some files, some important features and programs and policies and different type I will discuss in Unix architecture after. So what is the architecture? The kernel is a primary responsible for main of function. I am already told you what is a kernel in my last previous video. Kernel is a main booting file. You have power on your computer. Okay, press your power button in a laptop, press on your power your desktop and start your first file, first of data. It is your kernel, because kernel is start your main of your Linux operating system. Okay, same as it is you are using a Windows operating system. So Windows work main file you can background inside, you can see start here. But I'm talking about a kernel primary responsible for main. What is a main function? Kernel have four main function. First is a memory system memory management. System memory management means, so what is a system memory management? Okay, so I'm discuss one by one. Okay, so this is very important for your install your operating system device hard disk. So it is the main of system memory management. What is the memory I will discuss, and what is the hard disk I am already created in hardware playlist. Okay, second is important software program management. Software program management means software technology. So this is software technology, software of different type of created different type of software by created Linux operating system after load and load in software program. Okay, so this is a software program management system. Okay, third is hardware management, hardware technology, hardware of sometime your pen drive enter demo pen drive, some you enter device system. So it is a one type of hardware management system, hardware of start and enter some data here. Okay, so this is the hardware management. Fourth is important file system management. File system management you can see here, because you are scripting, you create a new folder, you create a new folder inside a new programming folder, and you enter command, automatically start your command, automatically your program start. You develop one type of program engineer, software engineer, and create your type of program software. So this is a file system management system. So this is four of reason indispensable for kernel system. This is a very important for understand about and Unix system. Okay, so the following section we explore these the function in more detail. Okay, so I will show you in system memory management next video. Okay, what is a system memory management system? So this is a one by one I will discuss in four kernel of main of part, main of any computer, any operating system, main part of a system memory management system. Okay, so next video I will show you in system memory management information, and very important this video. Okay, and after one by one I will show you in discuss new type of information. This is a very important for understand about system memory management and how this load of your data from your computer. So click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on bell icon for when I'm upload new now new video, so that time notifications and okay. So thank you, have a nice day. Next time I will show you system memory management. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.